Hello, this is Bitcoin Brandon back with some more Bitcoin news. This from Bitcoin.com. You see you got the bull on the cover. It says markets update. Bitcoin bulls are back with vigorous energy. Things are happening so fast. This is a day old. But just yesterday, as of this article, Bitcoin was at 2776. Here's what it says. July 20 was an exciting day for Bitcoin proponents as markets suddenly switched from a bear crawl to a full-fledged bull charge. The price spike resulted with a high of 29.30 per BTC across many global exchanges, showing a huge price difference between the recent low into the 1850s last week. Bitcoin markets had a spectacular day on July 20th as a decentralized currency came real close to reaching 3K per Bitcoin. At the time of writing, the price was hovering around 2750 to 2770. The digital currency has been experiencing a recent breakout since reaching a low of 1850 on July 16th. The initial drop was attributed to fear and uncertainty concerning a possible Bitcoin split on August 1st. Now speculators are crediting the recent jump in price to the BIP91 lock-in and the possibility of segregated witness activation. Trade volume has increased over the past 3 days as Bitcoin markets are now seeing 24-hour trade volumes cross over $2 billion. Moreover, Bitcoin's market capitalization dominance against altcoin markets has risen to 48%. Bitcoin charts and order books across exchanges are looking healthy at the moment. Looking at the charts over the past 48 hours, the 100 simple moving average crossed over the long-term 200 SMA, showing bulls will continue to try and push past resistance levels. The gap between these two averages on July 21st is pretty decent considering the price downfall 5 days ago. Using Fibonacci retracement after yesterday's high above $2,900 indicates we may see resistance points again above that price range. The stochastic and relative strength index reveals similar stories as both suggest more profit taking may occur and there's likely to be more volatility. Further, on Bitstamp and a few other popular exchanges, there are gigantic sell walls around the 3K territory. The top 10 cryptocurrency markets. Overall, cryptocurrency markets in general are all in the green as many altcoins are experiencing pumps from Bitcoin's 20% price rise in the last 24 hours. Ethereum markets, which still hold the second largest market capitalizations, are seeing a less climactic rebound up only a few percentage points. At the moment, Ethereum is $227 per ETH with a market cap of roughly $21 billion. Ripple is up about 3% at 18 cents per Ripple after seeing a significant decline last week. Litecoin is up 5% and has managed to hold a token value of over $45 per Litecoin. The number 5 position is held by Ethereum Classic, which is currently hovering at $16 per ETC at press time. The rest of the top 10 is also seeing small percentages increases as well. Dash is $190 per token, NEM 14 cents, IOTA 29 cents, Monero $41, and Stratus is $5.80. Notably, Stratus markets have done just as well as Bitcoin, increasing 20% over the past 24 hours. So here's the verdict. For now, the cryptocurrency community seems relatively optimistic due to the current market rebound and the progress happening with the SegWit roadmap. Since the network's mining pools joined together to enact BIP91, the price coincided with the approaching lock-in activity. However, the rise to $29.30 as BIP91 locked in was short-lived as the price dropped to sub 2,700 about an hour and a half later. The price has also stayed resilient during the recent darknet market's busts, as global law enforcement announced on July 20th the official takedown of Alphabet and Hansa. Bear scenario. The scaling compromise is not set in stone and other less positive events could take place this coming week. It's likely the price will be quite volatile over the next few days and day traders should do quite well in this environment. Currently, looking at order books, there's a solid foundation in the $2,400 to $2,500 range that should hold for the time being. If these zones are broken due to negative news or some kind of market phenomenon, then we could approach the 2,000 levels again. Bull scenario. After Tuesday's incredible bull run, it's quite possible Bitcoin could surpass 3K in the near future. However, there will be large sell-offs in that price territory, but the price could go higher if buyers manage to chew through resistance. Bitcoin markets and overall trade volume is doing quite well, and Bitcoin markets should continue to be very active this week. At press time, bulls have to break the resistance past the 2800s and above to see some smooth selling and all-time highs once again. The Bitcoin is back. Bitcoin Brandon out.